So how people are getting job, I'll show you. So before going to that, if you see, man, all of you have a look here. So just using Naukri, you type ABAP. ABAP jobs is one area. ABAP on HANA is another. Both you have. You see, thousands of openings are there. 16,000 jobs. How many? 16,000. So this is on ABAP. ABAP on HANA also you see. ABAP HANA. See, 18,000 jobs. So requirement is in bulk for experience who has a gap. Experience in the sense, fake we can put it. How to put everything, I'll guide you. So these things are making my students now, I mean, my training part and guiding them. See, recently, one of my student got job. See, he got job in IBM. Where? Recently. If you see, let me show you. See, his name is Shivam. Normally, see, he got job in IBM. Joining was this way. In IBM, he got it. Okay. So not only he, number of students, if you see in project 1, 2, okay. So 5 here also, if you see, and we keep on providing you, like, wherever opportunities you have, okay, we keep on giving you where you have the opportunities, okay, etc. And see, one of my student got job, some 7 offer letters. How many? 7 offer letters. One of my student got. So I will be showing you here, I think. So not one batch, a number of students keeps on getting the opportunities in IBM, okay, in Infosys. So with a gap of 3, 4 years, 5 years. So if you see here, all you have congratulations. This is a project batch. So I'll merge like, some students, 94 students I have. So he got job in VSD Technologies. Okay. So how people are getting these jobs? So one of my student by name Rahul, he got job in, okay, HCL also. One of the student got job in HCL. So number of people, see, he got job in, what is the consultancy? ABAP technology company. So how people are getting? Reason was I'm training from the basics, from the scratch. I'm taking you. So to achieve this, I have designed a good material. So if you see here, all of you, ABAP notes. Previously, before COVID, I used to make students to write it. Now, as online and offline is going on, see, I have designed a material. These ABAP notes, volume 1, 2, 3. If you see, it's very like, with my 20 years experience, I have designed these notes in a very user understandable way. You don't need to go with any books and notes. Not only this, you have here interview questions also. So you have interview questions, question and answers from basics till the real time. So not only this, I'll be giving you project and making your resume. I am preparing your resume. So in short, sir, so we'll go with ERP, SAP, and your SAP R3 system now called as ECC, now as for HANA. Okay, then ABAP, then cross application, then ABAP OOPS, and you have ABAP HANA with your CDS, AMDP, VDM, OData, then real-time projects. So resume preparation I'll do both fresher and experience. Okay, so fresher resume I'll prepare, and experience in the sense, if you see how you need to put the project, if you see any of the batch or this thing, okay, uh, any project, any batch, if you see, man, see, for example, see, I'll prepare the resume for the students, 3 years, 4 years, okay, and in which project I need to keep, okay, how many projects, in the project what objects. These things what you are finding here, these are all not dummy things, they are real-time projects which I have done. I'll explain you all these things. For that, a separate project class will be there, okay, after training. And you need to keep this and you need to explain, which is making number of people to get job in big MNCs like in IBM, HCL, Wipro, Tech Mahindra, Capgemini, Entity Data, Infosys. People got job. Not one offer letter. People are getting 3, 4, 7 offer letters with a package of 10 lakhs, 7 lakhs, 12 lakhs. Recently, one of my student got job in Accenture. Before this student got job in Accenture as a fake 3.5 years I have put it with a 12 lakhs package. So because we are going in a systematic way, so that you people can get a very good opportunity. And you see opportunities are there, man. Thousands of openings are there. Believe me, candidates are not available in the market. Thousands, see 18,000, 20,000 openings are there. ABAP and ABAP HANA, if you club it, it will be nearly 40,000. ABAP is there, ABAP and HANA. Both are technologies only. Some new concepts you have, CDSV, AMDP, VDM. Both I am training you. So candidates are not there, but I am making the candidates here. The cream I am preparing, okay, so that you can get an output. So in short, sir, today we'll go with an high-level overview on this area, okay, so that you can understand it. So am I audible, all of you here? Online guys, offline guys? Screen is shareable, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, thank you. So first of all, man, one point I'd like to tell you to my students that you need to have patience. This is very, very important. See, you have done your engineering, BTech, MTech, MCA, whatever it is. Okay, degree. Some 15 years, 16 years you have spent. So I'm not degrading, you did not get a job. Now I'm asking you 5 to 6 months. So that patience you have. 15, 16 years you have spent, and some extra 4, 5 years also you had a gap. You did not get output. Now only 5, 6 months I am asking if you prepare what all I say. I'll give you assignments, all of you see. Here, any batch you see. So assignment will be there. Okay. If you see here, where is it? See, any batch you take. See, assignments will be there daily. Assignments. Daily you need to do assignments. People keeps on giving and giving. So monitoring, I keep on monitoring you. So people will do it. And believe me, the people who regularly attend the class, practice it. Okay, because 24/7 we have system access online, offline. As for ECC system and HANA, both. And we'll give material, we'll guide you, I'll be there with you. So everything will be there so that you can get very good output. So likewise, I'm trying to monitor you and help you out in getting output. It's not like you join, we are leaving you. No, it's not like that, right? So in short, today I'll try to explain you what is SAP and what are the opportunities, how, like, you can get the things, and throughout lifelong, okay, till retirement, how we can survive in SAP. Everything I'll explain you. So in short, man, it's very simple. SAP product ABAP is very, very simple programming language. Okay, anybody can learn it. Okay, and therefore, throughout the world, if you see, any company asks any graduate, if it is toughest programming language, companies would have asked you only IT people. As a simple programming language, they'll say any graduate, because the industry is not that, IT sector is not that. It's a very simple, anybody can learn it, but you should be a graduate actually. Okay, so now let's start with the, like, what is ERP. I'll explain you. Have a look here. So we'll try to take any company, pharmaceutical company you take, pharma industry, any industry you take. So we all know that industry or a company consists of what's departments? SD. What is SD? Sales and distribution. What is MM, sir? Material management. What is HR? Human resource. What is FI? Finance. What is PP? Production planning. What is PM? Plant maintenance. You have QM, quality management. So, Seaman, whenever a customer gives an order, customer, throughout the globe, if you see, man, you have two types of partners, customer and vendor, customer or supplier. So you have customer now. What customer will do now? Customer will give an order. See, man, daily, knowingly or unknowingly, we do business. Daily we do. Example, you see. So before you come to institute, you would have gone to a stationery shop and purchased notebook or a pen. So to purchase that, what we have done, you ask it. For example, you want to purchase a pen. Who are we? We are customers. Who is the stationery shop guy? Is a vendor, supplier. So first what we did, we did an inquiry. Different pens we asked, Montex, Reynolds, different. That's an inquiry you're doing. Then what vendor will do, that guy will do, he'll say Montex is of so much of cost. So this is the maintenance of it. Except he'll tell you. So when you write it, leakage is not there, etc. He'll explain it. So once you understand that price along with the price, then you give order. Yes, I want that pen. Just go to even tiffin center also. We'll not go, we'll just check the menu. That's the inquiry you're doing. Then second step, once you inquire it, then they'll give you this item is so much of cost, this likewise. Then you give an order. Third point, say you want to purchase a bike. What you'll do? We go to showroom. First we'll ask sales representative. That means the customer first interacts with whom? SD. Sales representative will tell you this bike is of so much of cost. This bike it has zero maintenance, mileage is for everything he'll explain. So that is an inquiry. What is that? Inquiry. So we ask him, the moment you do inquiry, first one is inquiry, that guy will give you quotation. Quotation is nothing but quotation, one of the main parameter in quotation is price. Once you get this is you do inquiry, he will give quotation. Then based on quotation, you give PO, purchase order. Then we give an order.